Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? This is me, Shumaila Iqbal from SLS Montessori and High School. In this video, we will learn more about unit number 4, characteristics of all living things. Learning objectives of this unit are: number 1, the life cycles of different animals, what is inheritance, similarities and differences among human beings, life cycle of a flowering plant. Keywords are fry, life cycle, amphibians, nymph, cocoon, similarities, differences and inheritance. Dear students, you know that life cycle is a process in which all living things come to this world. They grow, reproduce and die. You came to this world as a baby and then you developed into a child. Next, you will be a teenager and then you will grow into an adult. This cycle keeps going, it doesn't stop. Okay, students, now we will discuss life cycles of different animals one by one. Let's start with the life cycle of a fish. You know that fish live in water, so most fish lay eggs in water. The baby that hatches out of the eggs grows into a fry. The fry becomes an adult and this cycle keeps going over and over again. Let's discuss frog's life cycle. Students, do you know that frogs are amphibians? Yes, frogs can live in water and on land, so all those animals which can live in water and on land are called amphibians. Frogs lay eggs in water. Their eggs are called spawn. The baby that hatches out of the egg is called a tadpole. It starts swimming in water with the help of its tail. It breathes through its gills. The tadpole grows its hind legs and forelegs and becomes a froglet. Then the gills and the tail disappear and the lungs grow. It turns into an adult frog and that is capable of reproducing new frogs. Okay students, now we will discuss life cycles of some insects one by one. Grasshoppers and cockroaches pass through 3 stages of their life cycle. Grasshoppers lay eggs. The egg hatches into a nymph. The nymph sheds its skin many times and becomes an adult. Now students, we will discuss the life cycles of butterflies and houseflies. You can see a picture of the life cycle of a butterfly and a housefly. These insects pass through 4 stages in their life cycle. These insects lay eggs. The egg hatches into a caterpillar, commonly known as larva. Larva feeds and grows. It covers itself in a cocoon. This stage is called the pupa. When a pupa opens, the adult insect comes out. This cycle keeps going over and over again. Similarities and differences. Students, first of all, you must know what is similarity and difference. Similarity is likeness or resemblance, while difference is a quality of being unlike or different. Students, although we all belong to the same species, humans, but there is a long list of differences and variations among humans. In this world, there are many people like you and me. We have same body parts, but we look different from another. Our height, weight, hair, eye color and complexion and everything is different. Students, maybe you look like your father or mother. You may inherit some habits of one of your parents. You know why does it happen? Yes, because of inheritance. It is a process by which genetic information is passed on from parent to child. This is why members of the same family tend to have similar characteristics. Parents pass on traits or characteristics such as eye color, complexion, and blood type to their children through genes. Humans have some similar features like eyes, nose, lips, etc., but they look different because the parents are different and the parents of their parents are different. So, humans look different from each other. Plants and animals inherit characteristics from their parents, but they can also be affected by their environment. Students, here you can see three pictures of the dogs. They are different from each other. First one is poodle dog, second Dalmatian, and third is German Shepherd. Students, they are all dogs, but they are different from each other, and they have some similarities too. Let's discuss their similarities first. They all have common features like eyes, nose, tails, ears, and they bark in the same way. They all are loyal breeds. Their differences are they belong to different breeds. It means that they are different types of dogs. Their fur color size is different. German Shepherd is known as the best trained security guard, while Dalmatian and Poodle dogs are known as friendly dogs. Let's check your concept. We will start with fill in the blanks. Number 1. The life cycle of a grasshopper has dash stages. Yes, you're right. The life cycle of a grasshopper has 3 stages. Number 2. The life cycle of a housefly has dash stages. Yes, you're right. The life cycle of a housefly has 4 stages. Students, here you can see a picture of a goat and its kit. And you have to list 3 things about the goat and kit that are the same and 3 things about them that are different. Let's discuss the similarities first. They have same sound, they have fur on their body, they have common body parts. Let's discuss their differences. Their size is different. The goat has horns while the kid doesn't have horns. Number 3, the goat eats grass whereas the kid feeds on mother's milk. Okay students, here is a life cycle of a flowering plant. Students, you might have seen some plants with flowers and some plants without flowers. So we can divide the plants into 2 main groups, flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Here is a picture of a life cycle of a flowering plant. When we plant a seed and water it regularly, it germinates and its roots grow. Then it becomes a seedling that grows into an adult plant. The adult plant produces flowers, the flower turns into a fruit, and seeds are enclosed into a fruit. In this way, the life cycle keeps going over and over again. Non-flowering plants go through the similar stages, but their seeds are not enclosed in fruits or flowers. Students, hopefully your concept of life cycles of animals and a flowering plant is clear now. In the next video, you will find all the answers of the exercises. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz.